Hi everyone, it's Lavya here. Today I'm going to tell you an article on Independence Day. So let us begin. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts. Let's salute our nation on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. On 15th August 1947, our India got independence from British rule. This day is celebrated as the national festival. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters. We fly kites on this day. But why are kite flown on this day? It is often linked to the freedom movement, where protest messages against the British were written on kites. Slogans such as Simon Go Back used to take a flight in the sky on kites. Now everybody knows why are we flying kites on Independence Day. And I will write all these lines in the description box so you can easily like in your note, write in your notebook and anywhere. Address to the nation. On 15th August, the Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag on the ramparts of the historical site of Red Fort in Delhi. He pays tribute to the leaders of the Indian independence movement, and also Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizens of India. We'll listen to it on social media, televisions, etc. All the citizens of this country need to celebrate Independence Day to show our respect towards the nation. It will also display the respect we have to the freedom fighters who gave their lives for independence. Independence Day celebration also inspires the young generation to serve the country. We should work hard to build our country. The Indian Defence Service conducts a parade on this day. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India and gave a speech on Independence Day for 72 minutes, which was the longest speech till 2015. And in 2015, Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi gave a speech of 88 minutes. And in 2016, he gave a speech for 94 minutes, which is the longest speech record in India till now. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom fighters. In school and colleges, this day is also celebrated. We should respect our nation, respect our flag, respect our farmers, respect your elders, respect your parents. I love my country very much. I'm proud to be an Indian. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, so please subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe it also and leave a comment down so I will know what are your ideas to the video. Thank you. I hope you like the video.